Below views. About this item: Sony SRS XB12 Mini Bluetooth Speaker, Loud Extra Bass Portable Wireless Speaker with Bluetooth. Industry-leading noise cancelling with HD noise cancelling processor QN1E. Virtual happy hour: turn your virtual happy hour party into a dance party with extra bass, and pair 2 for even more fun. Perfectly portable: use the detachable carry strap to hang, carry, or clip the speaker to your bag. Waterproof casing: take to the pool or beach without worrying about water damaging the speaker unit. Totally dust-proof: this outdoor pocket speaker will keep on playing no matter how dusty the surface. Upgrade the audio: wirelessly connect 2 speakers and achieve stereo sound with speaker add function. Longer battery life: party for longer with this rechargeable speaker's extended 16-hour battery life. Compact size: measures approximately 3 inches in diameter and 3 5/8 inches in height, and only weighs approximately 8.6 ounces. Play anywhere: full range speaker for use at home, in your car, on a bike, while hiking, and more. In the box: Sony SRS XB12 Bluetooth portable speaker with attached carry strap and USB charging cable. For details and purchase order, the Amazon link is in description. Please subscribe my channel, Inforoportal. Thanks for watching.